here it is, people. I'm going to be doing a taste test of the Orgain organic protein powder. It's a plant-based, and I'm going to be doing a taste test of the Ripple Nutrition Vanilla plant-based protein powder. This one has 20 grams of protein. This one has 21 grams. The numbers aren't that different. Let me just show you. You can figure it out for yourself. You can read the label and decide. Put this on pause if you need to compare the difference. This is the Ripple over here. You know, it's kind of hard to read with the lighting and the color, but that's the Ripple. So the Ripple is 110 calories. The Orgain is 150. Comes in chocolate, unflavored, and vanilla. Ripple vegan protein powder, vanilla, 20 grams of clean plant-based pea protein, non-GMO, non-dairy, soy-free, gluten-free, lactose-free for smoothies, shakes, workout recovery, and meal replacement. 0 sugar, 0 carbs, 0 calories, 0 grams of sugar, 1 gram of carbs. Okay, low carbs, 1 gram of carbs. Low calorie per count serving with a short list of simple, healthy ingredients. What other stuff? 100% dairy-free, nut-free. You don't want your nut in your plant-based drinks. So nut-free, soy-free, gluten-free, lactose-free, non-GMO. Everything I just said verified, so you can enjoy worry-free. And as I said, their milk product is absolutely delicious. I didn't get chocolate because my body does not handle cocoa powder well. Unflavored, I didn't want to get that. I did want to buy the Ripple milk and mix it, and I was going to make a shake, but instead I'm not going to be doing that. What I am going to be doing, it says add a scoop of 10 ounces of water. Enjoy Ripple. Add a scoop of 4 ounces to your favorite Ripple plant-based milk, or 6 ounces and 6 ounces of water, so you can do the shake. And I've seen some people online that have made a milkshake, and it's really good. 110 calories, so that's something you have to be aware of. If you're going to be doing this with water, 110 calories, very low calories, very low carbs, no sugars, potassium, so you've got some potassium. Sodium, everybody always dumps sodium in everything. Sodium, 200 milligrams, that's pretty decent. Very low fat. So if you're going to be mixing this with a Ripple milk, or if you're going to be mixing, well, you don't want to use milk if you're vegan. But if you're vegetarian and you mix this with milk, you're going to be pumping on a ton of fat and calories besides that. So if you're looking strictly for protein, you just want to do this bare. I'm going to mix this with water. As I said, I wanted to mix it with a non-dairy type milk product and see what it tastes like. But I'm going to mix this with water. I'm going to see how it is. If you like this video, if it helps you out, do a thumbs up, a subscribe, a like, a share, a comment. If you want to support my channel, ask for my PayPal info. I will be leaving an affiliate link in the video description. If you click on that link, it will take you to Amazon. You can buy this directly. Or if you buy stuff on Amazon, feel free to just click on that link before you put in any of your Amazon orders. It will definitely support my channel. So here we go. If you are interested in what is in here, it's mostly pea protein. There we go. Kind of messy scooping this stuff out, but I tasted it on my finger and it tastes vanilla. It really tastes like vanilla bean. It's not vanilla bean, it's vanilla. Let's see how, I've got a shaker here. I'm going to shake at my shaker. A lot of times with these protein powders, a lot of times with the stuff that you buy that's already pre-made at the big box stores, it all gunks up on the bottom and it's gross. It's nasty. If you open up the container and scoop it out, that stuff is so disgusting. And the other thing I've noticed with those is that they really tend to block you up and plug you up. I don't know if it's, well, it's obviously because of the stuff that's in there. So this would probably be better in a blender with a little bit of ice, maybe a little bit of Ripple milk, non-dairy milk. I want to shake. Okay, so this looks like it's really mixed up well. You always have to be careful when you buy some of these protein powders. They kind of clump up and they stick to the container and they're gross. So this is my first time having Ripple. going to see what I think of it. I'm going to do my little taste test now. It has an ugly looking yellowish color. And I'm going to taste it for the first time and let you know what I think. You're going to hear it. You're going to hear how I sound, how I react. Here we go. It would taste a lot better with their milk, with their non-dairy milk. This is very good, but it's also very watery. It's got a watery type flavor. It's got a vanilla bean flavor, which is very delicious, very good tasting. But because you're using water, and obviously if you want to eat healthy, if you're strictly going for protein, stay away from the extra calories. You don't need the extra calories. Go with the water, drink your protein, and get it over with. Let me have another sip of this. It's good. I wouldn't say it's great. It's not chalky. It's definitely not chalky, but the product is a very delicious product. There's no doubt this is really good. It's strictly that when you're mixing something like this with water, this is what's going to happen. And it's going to happen with every protein that you drink. So if this video helped you out, again, click on the affiliate link and order the thing. And thanks for subscribing. Stay healthy. This is going to be a video product review of the Orgain organic plant-based protein powder. This is the vanilla bean. It is vegan. It is low net carbs, non-dairy, gluten-free, lactose-free, no sugar added, soy-free, kosher. Interesting that this is kosher. Non-GMO. It comes in vanilla. This is vanilla. I think it also comes in I believe it comes in a chocolate, and I believe, yeah, it also comes in a creamy chocolate fudge and a peanut butter. The peanut butter has a very high rating. I didn't want to use peanut butter. On the Orgain, you're going to take 2 scoops to a 12-ounce glass of water or almond milk in a shaker cup or a blender. So that's 2 scoops. So I'm going to be trying out the Orgain protein powder now for the first time to see what I think. It says 2 scoops with 12 ounces of water, 1 scoop with 6 ounces of water, right? One thing I noticed, we've got this nice, beautiful, large container, very large container, and when you look inside, it's half full. Now, I know they're going to say it's settled during shipment. There is absolutely no reason to be selling an enormous container like this. It might be a good product, I don't know yet. I think this is highly deceptive, and I don't appreciate any company that does something like this. It's a waste of plastic, it's a waste of, it's going to fill up our landfills, and it's highly deceptive. You think you're getting this nice big container, and I'm a little disappointed that it's half the size. The scoop was all the way down at the bottom. It's like a dark yellowish brown. Yuck. Hopefully it tastes really good. Vanilla bean, I love vanilla beans, so if this is really a strong vanilla bean, this would be great. We'll find out in a minute. I'm only having, as I said, I cut the recommendation in half. It was 2 scoops, 12 ounces, so I'm doing 6 ounces of water, 1 scoop. It doesn't look like it's clumping up, which is good. You don't want a protein drink that clumps up. And I'll know right off if this is something I want to buy again. Let's open it up. Taste test for the first time. Oh. And here we go. There it is. All right. Before I even took a sip, the smell is kind of yikes. Hopefully it tastes good. You know how that thing is where it doesn't smell that good, but it tastes okay? So we're going to see. The smell is kind of odd. Oh. 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 This is not vanilla bean. Wow. Oh. Oh my God. This does not even taste like vanilla bean. I was hoping that this was going to be a good product that I would be happy with. Oh, I was hoping it was going to be a good product, and I was going to do an honest review just of the Orgain organic protein powder and see how it is and leave it at that. But I also did a review, which is going to be part of this, on the Ripple Vanilla 20 grams plant protein, and there is no doubt this beats it completely. This is going back. I'm not going to pay the money to keep this. It's going to go back in the box. This is terrible. It does not taste good. It does not smell good. It has more calories, but I didn't really care about that as much as I was hoping that I could keep both of these. I can't keep this. Orgain, a lot of people love this stuff, but they love it in the peanut butter flavor. This vanilla bean, no, I would not recommend this at all. Sorry, Orgain, I would not recommend this. Ripple, I would totally recommend this. This was delicious, and the plan was to do a review on Ripple, do a review on Orgain, and then do a comparison of the two. But the Orgain is so bad to me that I'm going to include these extra comments into the Orgain as I did in the comparison video. You'll be happier with the Ripple than you will be with the Orgain. Time to send this back and return it. Yikes.